Welcome to the Online PO. This tutorial will explain how to submit a purchase order, using the online submission tool in Partner Map. The Submit an Order link can be found under the Sell tab. Click on Submit an Order, and a landing page will open. Submitting an order online is easy. 3 quick steps and you're done. Step 1: Configure order. Here you will be required to enter the order details. Step 2: Shipping and billing. Here you will verify the billing address and the shipping address. Step 3: Checkout, where you will fill in the PO number, date, and customer PO number if needed. You can also find frequently asked questions, send us feedback or contact Checkpoint for issues. To submit an order, click Create New Order. Step 1: Enter the order details. To view the quote details, insert your quote ID, and click Retrieve. Quote details, such as quote ID, quote name, support period and partner information will appear. In the partner section you can choose the relevant partner for the deal. Sometimes partners have more than one ID, pick the correct one. When dealing with indirect orders, where a reseller is involved, update the reseller information. Here you can choose an existing reseller, or add a new one. For an existing reseller, click Existing Reseller and insert reseller name. When adding a new reseller, click New Reseller and enter the name, email, country, and postal code for new reseller. After adding the reseller, its details will appear, including reseller ID, email, country, and reseller stars program. In case the quote contains multiple user centers, the button plus more will appear under to user center number. By clicking Show All Accounts, you will be able to view all the user centers, and additional details that are related to the order. When an order contains collaborative support, the selected distributor will be automatic set as the default CCSP partner. In case a different CCSP partner is needed, uncheck the box, and select the relevant CCSP from the drop list. On the referenced quote uploaded, items will be updated, to reflect the reseller's stars program discount, after adding a reseller. When a deal's value is above $20,000, please insert a deal registration ID. You can manually extend your default discount. Either increase discounts for each line, or choose Apply Discounts for all. When adding additional discounts, enter the relevant NSP number in the NSP field. Our system will automatically validate your NSP details. This includes UC account ID, products and discounts, and NSP coverage dates. If an invalid NSP was entered, a warning message will be shown. If a valid NSP or deal registration was entered, a green light in the NSP or deal registration field will be shown. You are now done with the first step. Click Next to continue. Step 2: Review and edit the shipping and billing addresses. To edit, click Change Details. Fields marked with an asterisk are required. After updating, click Submit. When finished, click Next and you're almost done. In the final step, review the order, add a purchase order ID, and if needed, the customer's purchase order ID. The order comments field may be used for special requests or additional information for the order processing team. If warning messages were received during the process, a summary of these messages will be shown here. By clicking Submit, the order will be submitted to Checkpoint. That's it. You're done. If the order is submitted successfully, you will be directed to the Order Submitted page. Here, you can click Track Orders to see your order status, submit a new order, send us feedback, or contact us. In addition to viewing the submitted page, the user who submitted the PO will receive a confirmation email with the order details. In the email you can find PO number, order total, quote name, quote number and account ID and name. Thank you for using Online PO.